What happens when I drag a Jira synced sticky to an iteration or an area which is not synced? There are two different ways the PI Planning app can handle this behavior. Number 1. The corresponding Jira issue gets deleted. You can tell by the Jira issue key that vanishes. If you drag the sticky back to an iteration that is synchronized, in Jira a new issue gets created. Be aware that the new issue only has the information the PI Planning app can provide. Number 2. You can activate another approach by editing a created PI Planning session. Navigate to Team Board and set the check mark. If you activate this, in Jira the sticky will be dragged to the team backlog. The sticky in the PI Planning app is still synchronized and so forth keeps the Jira issue key. If you drag it back to an iteration, the same happens in Jira. If you want to remove a sticky from the board in the PI Planning app, you need to go to Jira and drag it there to the team backlog. To remove a sticky from the team board which you drag to a not synced area and in Jira is now in the team backlog, you need to go to Jira and first drag the Jira issue to a synced iteration. After that, you can move it back to the team backlog and it will disappear from the PI Planning app team board. Thank you for watching.